Pleasant morning to everyone attending in this assembly. Magandang umaga sa lahat. Buenos dias at oras. It is both privilege and honor to welcome distinguished guests. Your presence here today signifies the importance of this occasion and inspire us to strive for excellence in all what we do. We know that biology studies provide a comprehensive understanding of the production process from raw materials acquisition to production and delivery of final products to the consumers.
My presentation will actually follow several parts. The first part will be the background and context of the project, and it will be followed by the outputs of the value chain for 5 commodities.
Ang daming changes ang nangyayari. So take note po, yung presentation ay as of November last year. At ngayon ang nangyayari, yung environment na pinag-uusapan halimbawa doon, no?
Was from Mindanao State University and currently the university statistician under the Research and Development Evaluation Center, and I'm also in charge on the commodity of the coconut for the value chain analysis.
Findings aim to serve as a resource for assessing and enhancing policies, programs, services, and practices that influence the lives and livelihood of small producers.
While we want to be able to help for the commodities to advance, basic naman yun, i-focus din natin sa mga pangangailangan ng mga kababaihan at iba pang mga vulnerable sectors.
That's why kumukuha sila ng consolidators ng traders. Where in fact, merong mga ganang klaseng bangka, sila na magdadala, and at the same time, tataas yung income nila. So, on the part of our teacher po, at the same time, our leaders, input provision din.